Alright everybody, how y'all doing? And welcome back to my channel. I'm here to unbox some wireless headsets that I picked off Temu for a nice reasonable price. Now y'all know I'm a big headphone fan. I've been that their way back in the late 80s, early 90s. That's my style in headphones. Now y'all keep in mind, I'm not a big fan of the wireless thing here, so as you see, wireless. I'm not a big fan of wireless. I like everything to be connected wired. And I'm going to be doing two ways. I'm going to be testing them wireless features to see how good they sound. And I'm going to be testing them wired features to see how good they sound. So now let's get into the unboxing of the headphones. Before we do that, the one thing I like off that, I like the presentation of the box. It don't have a picture of the headphones, but this does. If I see it on the shelves, of course I know I'm gonna snatch it off. You know, it tells you right there, wireless on-ear headphones. Y'all know I believe in the wire function. I have a nice, good 6-foot, comfortable 3.5 millimeter extension cable to connect to the extension port. But we're gonna see if they are what I say they are. You can connect them with the 3.5 millimeter audio cable, or you have to go straight wireless. We're gonna find out. Now the model of these here are the H&S V5. Manufacturer is Shantou City. It comes overseas, as you know. A lot of our stuff comes overseas, and some of y'all was getting panicking about the port shutting down. But thank God they came to an agreement to go ahead on and bring everything back up and running. Go ahead on and give you a good picture of everything there. You know, nice box. You know, so simple, easy, nothing too fancy. So let's get into the unboxing. What's inside? You have your headphones. You have your Type A to Type C charging cable, which is a nice small one. I suggest you get you a bigger one if you want to go ahead on and you sit at your desk with a Type C connection port. So I prefer to get you a nice good 6-foot cable. But this will do for time being for charging, and you get your audio cable 3.5. And in the unbox, as always, like I always say, if you don't know what you're doing, here's your instructions. If you don't know what you're doing, your instructions right there. So let's get into the unboxing. All right. One thing I like about it off the bat, they're nice. I like the fact that they're folding for traveling. The only thing I don't like that it didn't come with a traveling bag, but you could go ahead and buy one that you could go ahead on and use for that. It got your nice little wireless V5 logo on the side. You got your CE instruction there. All right, so now let's do this. This is your right. As you see, here's your left. So that's good. Cushion is pretty soft. Now, as y'all notice, I'm gonna buy some cushion covers to keep this set from tearing up. I like the fact that you got this nice little headphone thing, your adjustable on the side. It goes all the way to 7, so that's good. That's good. It goes all the way to 7. Alrighty, here we go. You have your microchip. If you want to start music on your microchip and listen through the microchip, you can. Your pause play, up volume, fast forward volume, down volume, fast forward volume, power button, auxiliary jack, and as well your charger Type C jack. Alrighty. So what I'm going to be doing here is doing two things, basically three. One, I'm gonna go ahead and do the feel test, how good they feel on your head. Two, I'm gonna go ahead and do the wireless Bluetooth connection, and then I'm gonna do the audio connection. So give me about 30 minutes tops to set everything up, and let's do this. Alright everybody, thank y'all for waiting for 30 minutes, and I appreciate that. Now we're going to go ahead and do the field test. Like I said, the cushion is very soft. And as you know, I already got my ear muffins on. I'll be putting those in the description below. If y'all have headphones, I don't care who the manufacturer is, whether they're gaming headsets from Corsair, Leon Lee, Thermotech, Red Dragon, HP, Hewlett Packard, etc. Always pick you up a pair of ear covers just to keep them looking decent, so you won't have all that marshmallow plastic peeling all on your ear. You look crazy walking out the house with black stuff on your ear. Alright, let's do the field test. Okay, they are nice and comfortable on the ear. They fit good on the ear, so the size of the ear are good. So the comfort test is great. So you cannot really go wrong with that. The comfort test is great, and I cannot go wrong with that. So now, y'all give me about 10-15 minutes to go ahead on and set up everything. I'll be playing all music through ChillHop. I'm going through the wireless, connected up to the Bluetooth. So I'm going to go ahead and get a feel of how good they sound, and I'll let y'all know through what I'm listening to. I'll be putting ChillHop information in the description below if y'all want to go ahead on and check them out for all your music needs, for your videos, your podcasts, your live streaming, gaming, etc. They're very chill back, laid back, easy, comfortable music for y'all to listen to. So I'm going to go ahead on and put their link in the description below from ChillHop if you're interested in using their music for your content creation needs. So just like I said, it gave me about 15 to 30 minutes to go ahead on and connect to the Bluetooth. Alright everybody, I am now connected. It will say H&S V. Once you connect it, you hear connected through the headphones. So yes, you hear the little automated female voice saying Bluetooth on, now pairing. And then once you go ahead on and connect, it will say pairing. One thing I love about connecting Bluetooth, even though I'm not a big fan of it, at least you know the battery life. I have 70% of battery life, so that's pretty decent for what I'm going to do. Alrighty, so we are now connected, and I am going to be connecting through ChillHop. I have them subscribe to them on YouTube. Very good. Just like I said, I'll be putting all their information in the description below. And you know what? I also have Fasol, but you have to pay for his music if you want to go ahead on and add it into your videos. So I'm gonna go ahead and play Fasol Productions. Just like I said, I'll be putting his information in the link in the description below, as well as ChillHop. So we're doing two of them, ChillHop and Fasol. Let me connect to them just to go ahead on and see. I am Fasol Entertainments, and I'm gonna go ahead on and do my thing for 3 minutes. Sound good. Very loud. It has good noise cancellation because I can barely hear anything on the outside. So far in Bluetooth mode, clarity is there. Perfect. Perfect headphones. Bluetooth mode, they're there. Music clarity is there. You could go ahead on and listen to the bass as well as the trebles. So everything is good. So you can't go wrong with that though. So now I'll be switching to ChillHop music as well. And right now, this sounds great. This just sounds really, really great. I like these headphones a lot. Alright, I'm connected through ChillHop. You see the little thing right there into the background. And this is more of lofty, easy tempo type music, so you can't go wrong with that. Like I said, the clarity is there on these headphones. DB5s is not bad. They are not bad at all, so the clarity is there. I like it. Now the question is, will I get the same clarity when I'm connecting up through the 3.5 jack? Alrighty, Give me about 15, 30 minutes. I got to transfer over to the computer now because everything all pretty much set up there. So, but the clarity is there. Alrighty, like I said, gave me about 15, 20 minutes, and let's do this. All right, everybody, welcome back. I'm into the using the 3.5 connection and going wired with it now. Um, I'm excited to let you know that the Bluetooth pass, the bass, the clarity, everything is there with the Bluetooth. So now it's going to be the same thing with the wired connection. As y'all already know, I'm already set, ready, locked, and loaded. As y'all see, I got Chill Hop in the background. So yes, I do love Chill Hop a lot. I've listened to them. Let's go ahead on and just play entitled from inside these headphone sounds. Right now, clarity is right there. I can just hear the highest. I can hear the bass. Everything is good. Oh yeah, these things sounds good. They sound like more of my Skull Candy cassettes headphones right here. Over the years, she took a little beating, as you see all the tear on the headphone thing right there. So yeah, she took a beating, but and she also got kind of like a cracked handle. So good headphones. Can I compare them with them? Absolutely, absolutely. Clarity is there, very bassy, but when you turn it up all the way, I just like I said, I'll listen to my music all the way. So, but other than that, these are nice. These are very, very nice, and I can't go wrong with that there. So now what I'm going to go ahead on to do is give you my final on whether you should purchase them or walk away from them. Give me about 30 minutes. All right, everybody. Final conclusion. One thing I love about the V5 is this here. The only downside, what they should have done was added a carrying case to it. So if y'all listening, y'all should add a carrying case to the headphones. Other than that, she sounds good. She fits comfortably on the ears. Um, Wired as well as wireless. The quality is there with these headphones. Yes, and I can't go wrong with them. So y'all see them on my head. Comfortability is there. When you connect to Bluetooth, it connects quick. You'll see VS V5 or VS5. You will connect to that, no problem. What I recommend these headphones. Yes, I will recommend these headphones for people who's on a budget. Now, y'all keep in mind, I could go ahead and push 1,000 of these if I had the affiliated links by volumes. It's not about, oh, let me find the highest price product just to get a commission. No, these headphones work well. The link will be in the description below. They come off Temu. Just like I said, if I do find an affiliate link from Amazon, I'll be putting that in the description below for people who do not want to wait for 2 weeks, 3 weeks. They want the product within less than 2 to 5 business days. But these come off Temu. You have to wait for a while. Other than that, that's all I have to say about the wireless headphones. The V&S V5 is a great quality, comfortable, sturdy, no issues, no problem. Now these just regular comfort headphones. You could go jogging, or you could just sit home and listen to music, or whatever you want to do. If you want to go ahead and go into your quiet corner, away from the kids, the husband, and everything, you can go ahead on and connect wireless in your house and relax. That's what it's all about. Playing your good tunes through your headset and relaxing. Now, the links of everything will be in the description below, from Fasol Productions, Chill Hop, the affiliate links from Temu. If you want to purchase it, you a pair yourself. They're very reasonable, not expensive. I think I paid a little bit, like under $30. So that's not bad for a pair of headphones. Wireless as well as connectivity. And you can go ahead and add some extra stuff to it, like download your music on your microchip, listen. You don't have to connect through that. You can just download your music on the microchip. And I'll probably come back with a video doing that there as well too. I just gotta find me a microchip and load some music up on. So look out for that video if y'all want to know how to add music to your micro SD, and just slide it on in and just go off with it. You don't have to connect wireless. That's one thing I like about it. Your volume controls are on the side right here. All the volume controls are right here. You cannot go wrong with that there. And easy, simple. I want to thank y'all for watching. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.